My name is Ibitoye Caleb, and I'm a data analyst intern at Kinplus Technologies. My experience has been amazing, superb. It has been from one innovation to another. I've learned, my experience has been awesome with the relationship with the tutors, with my colleagues and others. Yeah, it has been good. Getting to Kinplus and learning data analysis has really been an awesome moment for me. It has shaped my experience, and also I've learned data analysis. I've learned how to summarize data sets, how to clean them, and how to bring out meaningful information from them. Yeah, so it has been good. My experience has been awesome. I will recommend Kinplus Technology to other people due to the fact that there are many stations out there that are putting out this kind of workshop, this kind of technologies. But Kinplus has been awesome. It has been an edge over others, and it has really been a good experience here.